In example 6, we will derive the converse, the obverse, and the contrapositive of the statement, all nonconformists are free spirits. So first we identify what kind of proposition the statement is. And it's an A proposition. Even though here we have a class complement as the subject term. Nonconformist is the class complement of conformist. But that's fine. This is still just a straightforward A proposition. And we can do the derivations accordingly. So, what types of inferences are A propositions valid for? They're valid for the obverse and the contrapositive, and not for the converse. So we'll write not valid for the converse. And then we'll do the obverse. So the first thing we want to do is change the affirmative statement to a negative. So we do that by changing all to no. And then we want to change the predicate term to its complement. So we'll say non-free spirits. So we end up with the statement, no nonconformists are non-free spirits. And now we have both a class complement in the subject position and a class complement in the predicate position. But that's fine because we started with a class complement in the subject position. Okay, now let's do the contrapositive. Okay, so we'll start out by taking the complement of the predicate term and putting it in place of the subject term. And then we put the subject term where the predicate term was, and we make it into its class complement. And we're just going to take the non off because we don't want to write nonconformists. That's just crazy. So it doesn't look like the contrapositive usually does because we have a class complement on one side and not on the other. You know, we have a non, you know what I mean. They're both class complements, of course, because that's what we're supposed to do. But only one of them kind of looks like a class complement because of where we started from. But that's fine.